thanks everyone for attending, for being here in person today, and the millions streaming online via Meet. So looking forward to engaging with everyone as much as we can today. So if you do have any questions, then please do engage via the app. Connect with people here in person or online if you can't be with us today. So firstly, my name is Rhys. I'm one of the directors at a company called Revisto. We're a collaboration tool, and it's a real honor actually to be involved with the BIM Coordinator Summit for the second time, this time in person. So we're really excited to be here, firstly, and be part of this great event. I just want to start with saying a huge congratulations to Ralph, Emma, Aubrey, and the whole team behind the scenes that have made this happen. Really, really impressed so far. And it's great to be at a conference where there's a real sense of a camaraderie, if you like. It's everyone involved seems to be passionate about what they do and why we're here. There's a real purpose, so I'm really looking forward to getting stuck in today. We have a great lineup of speakers as well, which I'll get to. So for those of you that, I thought I'd just run through a brief introduction really of what Revisto is and what we do. So broadly speaking, we're an integrated collaboration platform, and we offer a coordination solution for architects, engineers, contractors, and owners. And that's all we do. Our whole ethos is around being the best at what we do. Back in 2008, Armin, our CEO, wanted to bring gaming technology to construction. And year on year now we're growing 100%, which is fantastic. And my belief is that's because we listen to what our clients ask for, as much as we possibly can anyway. So, and there's some of them in the audience. So they keep us on our toes and we do our best to deliver. Being the BIM Coordinator Summit and a coordination platform, it made sense for us to partner with Ralph and the team, and as I said, we're extremely proud to be here at the event today. We've got a booth as well, so my colleague Ash is at the physical booth, so any questions, then go and ask Ash there, but if you are online, one of the team, Matt, is manning the virtual booth as well. Myself and Peter are also available to answer any questions that you have, and here we are. We didn't include Matt actually, so you can Google Matt or stick his name into LinkedIn if you're curious to see what Matt looks like. So I'm one of the directors, Peter's our technical lead, and Ash looks after commercials in the UK. So in a few words, what does Revisto do? So I mentioned we're an integrated collaboration platform. What we're really helping organizations do is connect the dots between 2D and 3D communication and really helping them streamline the process of mismanaging communication throughout the project life cycle. So we got asked a number of times, wouldn't it be nice if there was one platform to communicate issues around a project? I sat down with the university yesterday and we were talking about when do you stop speaking about your asset, your project, your building, a physical asset, your digital prototype. There's always questions being asked about that particular asset, whether it's been designed, constructed, or lived and used in. And Revisto is really a tool that can help you ask and manage those questions, issues, tasks, clashes, defects, whatever you want to call them, in a gaming tool that pretty much anybody can use. So we try to be a holistic place where you can look at the project information, ask, and more importantly, track what is going on. I talked about our roadmap briefly, but you can just see there through the timeline, we've been bloody busy, which is good. It keeps us on our toes and really makes my job exciting, going back into organizations to say, hey, that thing you asked for 3 or 4 years ago, clash detection, it's now available here in Revisto Plus. So as an organization, we do our best to listen, and what we say we do. We try to deliver what we promise. Anyway, that's enough about us. So we've got a fantastic lineup of speakers today, and you'll see them throughout the course of the day. We've got Brian, who's flown in from the US, and I think there's a shout out to Alex out in McCarthy. We were chatting about Alex last night. So hi, Alex, and Anthony, right, Brian? What we were chatting about. So great to have you here. Colin as well from Kia. Great to meet you in person for the first time in 3 years. So Colin and I know each other, and Ian as well from Jacobs is here, and we'll be followed then by Peter Cordier for session 1. We'll have a panel discussion then afterwards. So if you do have any questions that you'd like to ask any of our presenters, then raise your hand in the audience or send me a DM in the app. One last thing, we'll be back in Dublin in November at our field days, which are events Revisto are running globally. So yeah, hopefully we'll see more faces of yours in Dublin in November the 8th. So thanks for listening to me. Thank you for being here and in person. And without any further ado, I'm going to introduce Brian to the stage to talk to us about design build. Oh, he's the director of the virtual design and construction, so he's going to talk us through leveraging BIM for design build.